Hi there! Thank you very much for enrolling on this course. In this course, we are going to break down the different parts and components that we can find within the mythology we are going to study in this course. In the Celtic mythology, we can find different creatures which we are going to consider to reflect in our illustrations. We'll be studying a text in which we are going to see what we have to reflect in the screen. To do this, you can use your own computer, a tablet, or your notebook. After this, you will given a project which will consist of introducing your 4 creatures as I've done it applied to a mock-up. To achieve a better result, we are going to try to give a sketchbook look. That way, the result will be even greater. Again, thanks for watching. Let's move on to the next lesson.